Let me see over there, Sir General.
What?
Looking at people in yard.
No, clock dog.
I'm being Julie in that tree there,
A mango tree. Yo, them have dog in that yard, you know.
Yeah, see
them
things.
mango, they're green.
Yeah,
we not
you
gonna
get,
steal no fence
Jano,
in a green mango.
No matter how the fool it is. There is no dog. The right them mango them right. If there is dogs, I will buy you a ticket to Jamaica when the dog them biting and your body join. I
don't like dog, you know.
It is beware of dogs. Do you see any dogs? Call the dog. Come in, dog. Come. Come, dog. Hello, there is no dog. Come.
Jesus Christ.
Why you make me come over the people and fence the green mango? No. Why you want them to say it right, you know? No, you tell me say this thing right. Hey, dog, look at it, it's obviously green. You hear something? Hear what? Oh, God! You're